Okay, it's kind of noisy behind me, but like I said, we ask every person in different walks of life, also consulting them, asking them, telling them about our plans and what we are doing. And here is a lady here, a young lady whom we had just presented here in this place, and we want to ask her if what I presented to her would make sense, and is it effective, or we just throw it away or pursue it or not. Okay, so what's your name? Okay, Salome. What can you say about what you just heard? I told you about the resource center, about collecting stuff from other people and then giving it to the poor. Do you think it will work? Do you think it will work? What if we're going to do it? Do you think it will work? Do you think it will supply the needs of others? It will. Yes. That's good. So at this moment you are willing to do your own, or to do your work, to do your part on this, right? Okay. So thank you. So that's Salome. Like I said, even young people, they can make a difference in this project. It's for everyone, even for that girl right there who's trying to hear what we're talking about. So I'll see you later in the next part of this consultation for the Resource Center project. Okay.